In this video, we'll show you how to replace the broil element on a range oven. For this installation, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver. To replace a broil element, first disconnect the power by unplugging the range or turning off the circuit breaker. Then remove all of the oven racks. The broil element is held in place by a support bracket and a rear bracket. First, remove the screws from the rear bracket. Then remove the screws from the support bracket. Now pull the old element forward out of the cavity. You will see 2 wires connected to the element with 1/4-inch screws. Remove these screws and disconnect these wires. Be careful not to allow the wires to slip back into the insulation. Then simply remove the old element. You can now install the new broil element. Just connect both wires to the terminal with the 1/4-inch screws. Secure the mounting screws into the new support bracket. Then secure the mounting screws into the rear bracket. And then replace the oven racks. Finally, restore power to the range and turn the oven on to ensure the broil element was properly installed. Keep in mind that each element has a protective coating. This may create a small amount of smoke upon initial use, but it will eventually dissipate. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.